All right, so it is the next morning, and we actually went down to Anchorage, and we picked up some railroad ties to put this container on. So it was kind of a crazy morning, and I didn't really film any of it just because it's a private business, and oh, I almost fell down. There's big stuff there. But yeah, so we went and picked up a pallet of 12 old railroad ties. Huh?
15.
There's 15 on there? Oh, shoot. Well, I guess giving them the little bit of extra money was fine then, right? But look, it's cool. Look at, they still got the old railroad ties and stakes. Yeah, the spikes are still in there. So we'll get those pulled out. The kids will enjoy those. That'd be kind of cool. But so we're going to get this off, get the rest of the container unloaded, hopefully get this bad boy moved, and then we'll have driveway back. Okay, it's on. Okay, go follow Daddy. He's going to unload the pallets, okay?
Okay.
Too, okay?
I know.
Okay. Watch your daddy get to work something.
Uh-huh.
Alright, so remember, never not to let the video go way too whatever. Whatever works, baby girl.
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to help with these?
Yeah. 2-stroke what I was looking for. Yeah.
What are those?
It's all kinds of different garage chemicals that Daddy had.
Mom, do we all have paint spray?
Here, watch out. Scoop it.
Come on.
Yes, babe.
Do we have some paint spray? Mom, yes. Pink paint spray.
I know. That's for our targets. Put it down. Okay. Okay, Lovey. Anything, put it in the box.
Try to stack stuff from the back to the front.
We can't really stack them. Let
I'm
me get it.
No. From the back. No, you're fine. Everything else, I want more bottles.
Gotta carry it from the bottom, Owen.
What is this paint spray?
All the other boxes you gotta carry from the bottom. Not like the way Owen's doing it because there's not tape on them. They'll
Close
fall.
to the house. Owen.
Over here. Put it right there. I know, babe, but we're trying. You wanna help me grab this?
Hey, Callum, what you doing?
Putting a bunch of old stuff in a box.
Cool.
There. Put that over there. Move right behind this baby. Yeah, we're just moving stuff out as fast as we can. Gotta grab it all the way underneath. You got it?
Simple green.
Okay, because this box will fall through.
In the box over there. Simple greens are cleaner.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, huh? I need another box for this stuff.
Okay, what about all the boxes behind the shelf?
Oh. Okay. We'll get it. Start carrying what you can on the bottom.
Who wanted on the container?
You grabbing all that stuff?
Mom,
What?
what can I help with?
Give me a sec. Here, any of that stuff, carry that. So I don't have to box it up.
No thanks.
What?
Say no thanks.
Too bad. What the? What?
Come on. You gotta grab it from down here, okay? Got it?
I've got to get this.
Here, Lovey.
Go, Parker, go. We're going that way.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
How do you not doing too?
Oh, sorry. Set it down, Jeff.
Yay!
Drop that, don't drop it.
Yay!
The nasty stuff.
All right, just hold on, babe.
Thank goodness. This is not to the grease gun.
Oh,
No?
Mom,
Okay,
it's
set it in here.
funny.
Let's carry this box up.
And then hold it.
Okay, there you go. Get her. Go. Okay, good.
I want video it. I want video.
Okay, we were just getting Macy. She wanted to see that she was helping.
I want me to be in the video a little bit.
There. Can you carry another one?
Macy, we're videoing your butt.
Well, don't give that part of her. What's that? Springs off of an old car.
Good boy.
What's please?
Here.
Good boy, Coda.
Yeah, I can. Oh, and grab that metal thing up on the toolbox.
What even is this?
This is a...
Gotta pick it up below that shelf. No, not down there. Right there, yeah. It was not empty.
Yeah.
Come on, Buttercup.
You can do it. All right, come here, Macy. Any of this stuff,
Come on.
this too. Come here,
You
Owen.
have gloves on?
Yeah, he does. It's your birthday. That's gonna work.
Yeah.
I got it. I got it.
No, I want to do that.
Okay, well, you come back and get that. Get this first.
I'm doing the right side.
Okay, here, Macy. Don't pull down the container, please.
Macy, yes. Who is this? I think this is old.
Got it? Yep.
Try not to push so far out on the fork, you're binding it.
Put that in the box. What's up?
Move it back.
Come on, come on. Sit. Oh, and come pull the door open. Oh, never mind. Daddy's got it. Okay, so how are you doing this?
Don't get in the way, guys.
It's brown. It's gonna want to pull off.
I know.
Can you slide it in anymore?
Boys, help me.
Slide it in.
Don't get your fingers stuck. What? Parker, we need to pull it towards the fork so Daddy can tilt it up.
Guys, don't grab that. Parker, grab the fucking thing out. Grab it. There you go.
Wait, my fingers. All right, now back up. Get Coda, please.
Come.
One minute, Daddy. 1 minute.
Owen, don't walk in front of
Sit.
this.
Stay.
Oh, wait.
I'm still up. Why? Let's stick it in one of those boxes back there, man. Should we find- we can roll it a little bit. Yeah, it's fine there. All right, get down. All right.
All
Yeah,
right, now grab that in.
pull it back through the same. Who's that skinnier one? Okay, now bring it back through and see if you can. Try put it back on itself.
Yep. Look into itself.
Pull it. Pull it. On this side. This side. Here. There you go. Go.
Watch out, guys.
Go this way, this way. Take it over there. Hurry up. Grab it. It's like this close. No, you're about a foot away. You just go straight back. Yeah. Turn it sideways. Daddy's gonna pick it up with the forklift. Make sure I don't go out. Am I on the edge?
You're good.
Okay. Right there. All right.
Stop it.
Yeah. Hold it, Margaret. Okay. Watch out. Already tightened it.
Stand back, Owen.
Okay.
what people want to see, Macy.
Come on, guys. Oh, Lord. Go watch that tree. Are the ties staying in place? Whoa! Okay, put it down. All right, guys, well, we are done for today. That is the end of the video. We are so grateful we got this thing moved. We got a bunch of other stuff moved. We have our driveway back, and now we've got to put all of that stuff back in the container, which that's going to take a while. But this is where I'm going to end the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Stay sane. Get out there and make your own footprints. You guys say make your own footprints?
Make your own footprints and have fun.
All right, bye.